Yes, I mean, I actually think the storms tomorrow night are going to be occurring a little later than what we saw last night, which, speaking of which, I mean, the main thing we saw last night were the fires, as we saw from all that lightning, and also some hail and wind damage.
Bad.
And once again, here in East Texas, no reports of any tornadoes or anything like that, but as you can see, a concentrated hail area there near Kilgore and Longview. You can see near Ore City as well. Those were from two separate thunderstorms that moved through the area. And folks, we saw some reports of baseball-sized hail at about this point last night. Temperature-wise, we are in the 80s still. It is 88 at Tyler. Winds are south at 13 miles per hour, and it has been a very warm day. Temperatures still in the 80s, but dew points 60s and 70s. You factor that into our actual air temperature. This was what it feels like. Still feeling like we are in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Certainly not April-like, more so late May, early June-like for today. And that's part of the reason why we have more storms in the forecast for tomorrow. 71 degrees, that's your overnight low. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon about where they were today, minus a couple degrees. So I think we will easily be in the middle 80s due to the fact that we will have a very strong southerly wind in play. Dry line to the west, cold front to the north, and a storm system will move through as we head into tomorrow night, which does mean additional chances of showers and thunderstorms. So we'll play this out through about 9 o'clock this evening. Our storm threat is done by 9, and most of that is well out to our west regardless. We could see a shower or two tomorrow morning, but nothing to be concerned with. I think tomorrow morning, especially if you have those outdoor plans, you're going to be all right. By 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, that's when we will start to track those bubble-up showers and thunderstorms there. You can see those storms initiating near the DFW area, and we will need to see what these do between about 6 and 9 o'clock if they can enter our northwestern counties. But by 9 o'clock, we are seeing those storms shift off to the north and to the east. After midnight, though, we'll see a line of strong to severe thunderstorms start to gather itself and move through East Texas. This is 3 in the morning, and then as we move towards 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, we're still tracking that line of storms moving through deep East Texas. So this will be a long duration event. I want everybody to have a way to get weather warning information, especially since this does look like an overnight event for us. So here is a breakdown of the severe weather threats. It increases quite a bit as you look further off to the north and to the northeast. Enhanced threat of severe weather to the north of Tyler and Longview. That goes all the way up to a level 4 moderate risk to the north of Texarkana. And all modes of severe weather are possible, including damaging winds, tornadoes, and large hail. The flash flooding threat is a little lower, but don't sleep on that threat yet because we got a lot more rain on the way. Check this out. Deep East Texas, if this model run is correct, we could see anywhere from an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain through this Saturday. So a lot of active weather on the way, but I think our main threat of severe weather will still be tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning, which is why you need to put your phone on, well, not on Do Not Disturb, I should say, just so it will wake you up if a weather warning is issued for your area, or have a NOAA weather radio. We're tracking those rain chances Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as well. It looks like we could have an isolated shower or two this upcoming weekend. And deep East Texas, similar trend. I don't expect any rain tomorrow, but tomorrow night into Wednesday, it's going to be the best chance of severe weather with additional rain chances Thursday and Friday.